Scott here from Outlaw Garage. We are off with the Porsche Club of Victoria today. We have joined them for a GT3 RS run. There is a swag of cars out there this morning. I think there's 40 cars with us.
I've got a clean, that's clean. I haven't used it, so I normally have a clean one in my... No one has handkerchiefs these days.
You're right, nobody has a handkerchief.
I normally have them. I got a few of them, I don't use them.
Look at that, that's a nice thing. That light bar on the back. Actually been a passenger in Flavio's car to start off with, so 996 GT3 Club Sport. Let's see if we can get a side profile of it. We've probably had this on the channel before, affectionately known as the McDonald's car. What that is, I think we'd probably get away with that. Hopefully he doesn't hear that. Another 996 GT3 Club Sport.
Warburton to Reefton.
We are kind of getting directed.
Cool.
And Scott's going to drive.
I don't know if I'm brave enough for that today. But we're off with Mark. We're in the 993. Bless him, giving us the opportunity to drive it. But these guys are having a enthusiastic drive. Let's see how we go. Because Flavio's car is a little bit cold and fresh.
Well,
this is lovely and warm.
And he's a little bit enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic?
Yes.
That is one way to put it.
One might say, fucking crazy.
Well, we were sat behind the 992.
Yep.
The RS, and that just makes the drive look effortless. Because obviously we're having to pick a slightly different line, and it looks like it's on a daily cruise doing its shopping. It was finding it really easy.
Fresh paintwork.
So a complete rebuild, has it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Any tweaks and little spice added to it?
I gave it more torque. Not more horsepower, but it's got more torque.
Yeah, okay.
So it's just a little bit punchier out of the corners, which is it's nice, but it's still a very road car.
Yeah.
So it's not.
Yeah.
I didn't want to strip it all out and get rid of the sound deadening and turn it into something.
Yeah, because it's still really comfortable and elegant on the inside.
Oh, it's very, very civilised.
Yeah.
So when we go and do our 2 and 3 day alpine runs, you live with it.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
My mate's got a yellow 993 RS.
Yeah. Okay.
And I had the 50th anniversary next to it.
So I didn't connect the dots there. I didn't realise yours was also the 50th anniversary.
Yeah.
Because I caught that highball did an event at
Okay. Yes.
in that like lovely tree area where it was like pink and red leaves and yeah.
Well, that was that's
We turned up late.
That was Glen Ridge's farm.
Okay. Yeah, we were late getting there, and then I saw your car coming as it went out, and then I've seen it. I think I might have seen it at a couple of other cars and coffees as well. But you don't see those 50th anniversaries around very often.
Well, there's only 17 of them
Here in Australia.
Well, there's 17 PDKs and 6 manuals. So there's the 23 cars or whatever it is, and that's it.
Because they're a spectacular interior as well.
Oh, I think gorgeous. But they're just gorgeous to drive.
Yeah. Because strangely, so. Yeah, most definitely.
We definitely, because I mean the colour, if you actually go through it, what they are, they're paint to sample.
Yeah, to start off with.
And they're just, there's so much old school in them.
Yeah.
They're not a GT3, but you know, not everything has to be a GT3.
No, I've got a bit of a soft spot for them, having seen a couple really up close, and because you don't see them around very often, or they don't seem to get the, I don't know if they get the advertisement, or they don't seem to get the recognition or people's awareness, like you said, of the car.
Not yet. It'll come.
Oh, I think so.
It'll come, but it'll just, like all things, sometimes they need a little bit of age for them to, people all of a sudden go, oh wow,
yeah,
I remember that. And I don't think some of the, like the 30th and the 40th editions, they're like, what are they? They're just a 10-year anniversary car. But I think there's something about the 50th that makes it's a halfway point. And, it was a very special car.
Yeah, I think so. Do you know Craig Rayner?
I sure do. He's a good mate of mine.
Yeah. But brilliant lad.
Yeah.
He had one, didn't he?
He did.
Yeah.
Craig actually found my car. Because he got.
Well, there we go. There's a bit of.
So Craig got one, and I'm going to go. What the fuck's this?
Yeah.
And he's going, oh, it's a 50th anniversary. I said, how gorgeous is this? I had no idea. And he was like giving me the big sell on, I'm sick of wings, I'm sick of this, and I'm kind of going, oh, I don't know about I'm sick of wings, but you know. I said, yeah, I get it. I said, look, you know, I reckon I'd like one of those. If you ever see one, because he's always sees cars come up for sale.
Yeah.
Anyway, he rang me out of the blue and he goes, there's one for sale, it's a local car. Gave me the details, contacted the guy. We organised to meet at Robbie, this was before Rob had passed away. So we went down to Rob's workshop in Richmond and did the deal. That was it.
Wow.
That was his last drive. Actually, we'll make it. I've had this car for over 20 years. So I bought this car whenever it was, like it was about 12 months old or something when I bought this car. And it's just developed.
That's some time to. Just waiting for everybody to turn up. There's a few cars that we haven't seen. That Crayon is very, very nice. And everybody is here. We have been in the 993 that is just going off. We are about to jump in the GT3 RS. We've got a spin in this. This is the one that we've seen a couple of times with the little ducktail on the rear.
We go up here and then we turn right up to Lake Mountain.
Yeah.
To the top, and then turn around and come back left. And then after that, we go to Marysville,
Just so firm-footed. Okay, so we've had a good run. Probably the biggest achievement of today is that I have not been sick Wow, we've had some runs there, and I hope the GoPro footage captured it all. Out with Flavio in the 996 Club Sport. We were then with Mark in the 993, and then with Tony in the GT3 RS. I think that one might be the one that kind of tipped me over the edge a little bit, but a hell of a day out. We've got all the cars lined up here, so we might have a bit of a look here. We've got a few generations of GT3s. We followed this one a fair bit today. So this is Tony's car. We were in this earlier. This is the car that probably put us a little bit on edge with our stomach. Good job we didn't have a breakfast this morning, because otherwise we would have probably ejected that. Great drive out. I like this. That is a cracking spec. What do you think?
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, I think it is.
I love the colour.
Yeah.
Forget silver, forget black. Looks good.
Yeah. Wheels. Yeah, I really like that. That is a bit of me. And then the 993 was fun. We might try and get the 50th anniversary on the channel, so we're probably going to have to do a bit about getting that on, because we did thoroughly enjoy that. It's been a cracking day out. Weather's fantastic. Look at that. All the cars out. Great lineup. Absolutely brilliant. All right, so last car of the day.
Last call.
Last car of the day. We're heading out in the GT3, the new 992. What a wing on that. This, other than that 993, this might be my favourite of the day, because the white and the black on this is a real standout, isn't it? I think the white shows the curves a lot better than if it was a black car. Look at that. It definitely looks like a Battlestar Galactica helmet. We're with Tony in his car, and it was...
How'd you feel?
It was quick.
Hey?
It was quick. I was just glad I didn't have any breakfast, because then I didn't have anything to eject. This is gorgeous.
Thank you.
Spec, lovely.
Yeah.
The white.
I tossed
and
and
then
turned over the spec for... I had so long to spec it. It just took so long to come.
And went with the manual.
Yeah, manual for me all day. Every day.
Yeah.
I find this bit of road, I've never really liked this bit of road. It's always got that, they put that silica or something in it.
A little bit slippery.
Can be. I think it's alright now, but I think it just leaves residue. I don't know if you've noticed in your cars.
A few moments later.
Until they understand. So it's cold cup 2s on this surface.
Yeah.
Yeah? So that's the thing I hate about this surface. Whereas on Reefton, you never get that.
And like, it seemed to be like a little bit on the yellow paint, a little bit on the black, and it was like...
Let's just always remember this road. The moment you want to push it,
Yeah.
it's not worth it. So this is in sport mode, which gives you the 3 gauges. Sorry.
Okay.
So when you're in normal mode, you've got 5 gauges across.
Yeah.
So it just gives you all the things you want to look at: oil, temp, pressure, and it gives you a coolant. And then you've got your coolant down the bottom and your tyre pressure. got any haul still.
Well, hope you enjoyed the video. We had an absolute blast. We are on a trip away. We're having a small break, and I've had plenty of time to recover, and I don't feel quite so queasy anymore. So please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you later, guys. See ya.